Ask Tom on Home Show.
James from Placentia, California, has a question about a faucet function.
Well, his functioning faucet is frustrating him, Tom, because he had one of those stem cartridge ones on her bathroom for the hot water, and it's not working right. James writes, the good news, no leaks, but when I turn on the hot water for low flow water volume, the stem turns really fast all by itself to all the way open. I need to hold the handle or almost shut the valve off in order to control the volume of water. Could the new stem be the wrong part for my 40-year-old housing, meaning it's maybe too small?
I don't know if it's too small, too big, or the shape of it's wrong, or if it's just put in improperly. Sometimes people put them in backwards. The cartridges in faucets are a million different types. Every manufacturer has to come up with their own design. No two are alike. It's really frustrating. It's one of the things that I don't like doing plumbing because there's so many parts and pieces. Although I can do it, it's not one of my favorite things to do. And this is one of the reasons. Plumbers go through this so often, they can spot these little issues that most people who do it twice in a lifetime would never know to do. So the question, could it be the wrong cartridge? Absolutely. In addition to it, could be it installed improperly? Absolutely. That's all I can tell you with this kind of question. And so you'll have to take it from there. In some cases, I have been so frustrated with some of these things, especially with older products, and then they make the newer replacement parts out of the country. It's made a little differently. The specifications aren't exactly the same. They try to make universal parts that fit more than one thing. That doesn't work very well. Flappers in a toilet is a good example of that. Sometimes better go buy a new faucet and just screw it on underneath the sink with your basin wrench, hook up the water, and you got a brand new faucet. So that's going to be my suggestion to you is, yes, it could be the wrong part, maybe installed improperly, and maybe a new faucet is in the future to make your life a lot easier. Or a call to Abacus Plumbing. To have a plumber who deals with this all the time, just get it fixed. Oh, that's right. I'm sorry.
He's in California. Call Abacus because the trip charge might surprise
no, don't call Abacus.
No, but all kidding aside, so maybe the first step for him is take it apart and put the thing in the other way and see if that's, like you're saying, he might have it backward.
Yeah, and I don't know. I can't see it, so I don't know. And here's another thing. When you take them out, everybody takes everything apart and say, I'll remember. And then they don't remember how that really went back in. Did it really go in that way? Take pictures, take real good mental notes about when you take things apart, if you're going to try to replace them. There's a lot to be said on if they look kind of the same and they're not. There's a lot to be said with documenting stuff when you take it apart, even when you're working on cars or anything.
Yeah, this is my all-purpose tool right here.
Or Charlie's case would be taking apart cameras and putting them back together.
No, I just get on the phone and I'm like,
okay, fine. You can call a local plumber in California for sure.
Fill out that form, send us a picture. I would have loved to see a picture of that old faucet to figure out
Me too.
if it was. And that's why we ask you, send us pictures because it helps us answer the question better. And we're not just answering for you. We're answering for other people who are watching and they may need the help. And oh, look, that faucet's like mine. That helps us do a better job, and that's what we're here to do. We enjoy doing it. It's why we post new ones all the time. You'll find them on our YouTube channel, Home Show Radio YouTube channel, and at our website, HomeShowRadio.com.